So today we'll be using the file editor again. So who likes the file editor? I doubt you like. Just kidding. So you should know how to open one. And so today we're gonna learn about the if statement. Right, syntax. I don't care. So I'm gonna type this in. Name equals to blank string. If name no, you know what? Pass name equals Alice. Name is Alice. Crap. Forgot. Name forgot this. Colon print hello. Hello Alice. And this is a really simple program. You just have to save it and yeah. And yeah. I just call it like this. So why did it say hello Alice? Because look, you see, name is Alice, and if the name is Alice, which means that this will return true, then print hello Alice. You see, if you put if true, it will, yeah. Well, but let's say I change the name here to Bob, and I run it. It won't print out anything. But why is that so? Because this condition is not true. So it will not print this out. To tackle to still want to actually print something out, you can use an else statement. As and as you can see, the name is not Bob. So if the name is Alice, it'll print this. And just because this is not true, this else statement will take anything that makes this return false and execute this line of code. So now here's another thing. If we would like two conditions to be true, you like two conditions to be true, or you like any one of the two conditions to be true, or you like to reverse the true and false. So for this one, if you want to do this, we'll use the AND operator. So true and false is false. True, no. False and false is false. However, true and true, that's true. Of course, you should know if you invert this thing, it'll still be false, right? So basically, any two conditions that if there are two truths, you'll evaluate the truths. Else, you'll evaluate to false. And if you would like to do this one, you use the OR operator. So it's like true or true, return true, true or false. Return true. Have and, however, false and false. Return false. So basically, unless both of them are false, it will always return true. Here's another one. If you like to reverse the true and false, use the not operator. Not true. And there's also not false. And you can even do this. Copy and paste, 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 paste. Oops. I forgot spacing. Hold on, let's try again. Let's try again. No, 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 no. No, 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 not true. It can still understand what I'm talking about. Yeah. So you can even do this. I will, okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. So look. So, using our knowledge about true and false, let's do this. Code. Password is in no. Print enter your password. Password equals to input. If password is whatever your password is, print access granted. Else, print access denied. Okay, so now let's run it. Enter a password. Whatever your password. Hold on a minute. Your password is. Okay, so you all should know what this password actually, like what this whole program means. Here's something that I want you all to think about. You know what? I'll show you the program. It will appear in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So we're gonna run the program. Where's F1? Oh, enter something. Now let's enter something. And look, when we run again, when we enter nothing, it says you did not enter something. Okay, look. Now, this may seem a bit weird. Like this line. Oh, whoops. If something. Remember the last lesson that we all had? Remember that thing that I was talking about, the true and false thing, like the bool? Yeah. So actually use that. We actually use they actually like auto use the bool concept and this whole thing. So it's like something you has to be some, like, you see, if you bool a empty string, which well what will which is what will happen when you when you did not enter something. So you'll just say like, okay, whoops, wrong tab, sorry. And you all know I'm using screencast, right? Okay, sure. So look, remember this bool thing? So look, see, nothing here. So it's input. When you enter nothing, look, Alice equals to input. Okay, I entered nothing. So Alice is just a blank string. That's why when you enter, so instead of Alice, we put something here. So if you bool nothing, it will return false, and it will come to this else part. So I hope you all learned something today, and this is my longest tutorial ever, I guess. And I hope you stay tuned for more of these stuff. Goodbye. Boop. I'm out of here, everyone.